Hello everybody. Now I'll show you how you can save your Google Chrome extension and restore them after you reinstall that browser. Okay, first thing you need to backup your profile folder. So let's go to backup and backup it to our desktop. This way we will save all our browser settings, our bookmarks, extension, and everything that concerns our browser. So to backup the extension, we need to go to Tools, to Plugin Scanner, Google Chrome, and scan all our extension. In this example, I will export and save only two extensions that are Honey and this one that is saved to Pocket. In this case, Backup Restore cannot retrieve name and description, but it will be fixed in a next update. So I will export them to our desktop. Start. Okay, the export is done. We can close that. We now have a folder named HBR extension. If we open that folder, we have Google Chrome inside and two subfolders that are one for Honey and the other for Save to Pocket. Okay. Now to restore all our settings, first of all, to show that it works, I will go to Google Chrome, More Tools extension, and I will remove Honey. Okay, and Save to Pocket. Okay. I close Google Chrome. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to restore your Google Chrome profile. So start, select our backup, this one, open. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, everything good. We can go back here. Now I have again those two extensions because I have just removed, so the profile is the same. But in the case I don't have those two extensions, so I will remove them again. Okay. Let's say that Backup Restore didn't restore my extension. So I open the More Tools extension screen. Here I click on Developer Mode. I have three buttons. I have to choose Load Unpacked Extension. From here, I go to HBR extension. I have Google Chrome and those two subfolders. I need to open the first one and click on the version with the folder with the version number. This one. Click on OK. I have again Honey. Installation was good. One good. Okay, I have Honey. I can see it here. Honey. Now I do the same thing. I close the first one and I do the same thing with the second one. Click on the folder with the version number. Okay. And I have again Save to Pocket again. Okay, for example, I show you if you click on the folder, the first folder, you will have an error because the Google Chrome can't find your manifest. Okay, so if you wish to restore the extension, you need to click on the version number folder. Okay, this way you will have all your old extension in your new browser. You can export all those extensions in one folder and load them in every browser you want. For example, if I move from Google Chrome to Comodo Dragon, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I can go to More Tools. Sorry, it's in Italian, but you can go to more tool extension. Here you will have the same screen as Google Chrome. Again, you need to activate developer mode and load your extension from here. Google Chrome, the first one, okay, the version number folder. I click on it and I have Honey on Comodo Dragon. Okay, here. It's good. This way you can install all your extension from only one folder to all your Google Chrome browser.